Here is my Gerber Ultraflush Toilet flushing. On the tank, it is using a 501A flush mate, which I believe it's recalled. Here's the numbers of the model and serial. And when I got it, these two parts were leaking. I actually fixed this one, but I tried fixing this one, and I think the line right here, like with the spring in there, like, I'll show you what it is. This spring, where it goes to here, kept leaking. So what I did, well, only I'm gonna do it for flush and testing, is I put a piece of paper towel in there to cover the leak. But again, that's only for flushing and testing outside. But anyways, let's give it a flush. Honestly, I actually like the flush better than the newer ones. Since this flush mate is recalled, I will not do a plug siphon jet because I do not want to risk exploding it. But I'll be back for a dry bowl test. Here's a flush with a dry bowl. That was pretty interesting. It was a bit loud, but pretty interesting. Well, after I flush it, it just keeps running, and what I like doing is sometimes I just jiggle it a little bit, but again, that's only for flushing outside and testing it, not just installing it. But it was a pretty cool find from 1998, since how old the Gerber flush toilet is. Those are not common than the 2010s ones, which is actually pretty interesting. And I remember all the way back in late 2024, I had a 2006 Ultra Flush, and before I even did flush and tests, that thing broke. And hopefully I don't break that to this one, since I want to do tests on it in a week. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.